Hello, welcome. I am SK Pandey here in front of you to present this demo session about the different online programs which we are conducting under the umbrella of SKP Soft India. So let's see how we'll proceed for this session. So before we start the session, it is it's required to understand about the organization and first we'll talk about some basic things which is related to the company. Actually, we are 21-year-old organizations and we are imparting training in computer science, IT and applications area, offline and online. And myself, S.K. Pandey, I am the founder director of this company and the chief consultant and trainer and most of the online courses and training programs are conducted by me itself. We have a collaboration with different organizations. We have a pool of experts and trainers who are also associated with us, contributing to us in our online program and courses. Now we are going to talk about our courses which we are conducting in offline and online. Especially we are talking about the online courses which are featured courses and which are in demand. And then we'll talk about the different platforms which we are using to conduct our courses to ease the learning process. So here we have given some list of online courses and these are categorized based on the requirements and most of the courses are customizable according to the user's requirements. So there are exactly four categories: basic and foundation courses, analytics courses, data science courses, and machine learning and AI courses. So the basic and foundation courses are Python programming for everyone. Actually, most of the basic courses are of 15 days and it includes 20 hours. Then R programming for everyone, MS Excel for everyone, IBM SPSS for everyone, MATLAB programming, Minitab for Six Sigma, professional web designing and development for everyone, then digital and social media marketing, web analytics. But actually here the list are which are given, these are the list of featured courses which are most demanded, but we are also providing many courses based on the user requirements related to computer science and IT application area. So the next category, that is the analytics courses. Under the analytics courses, most of the analytics courses are of 30 days and 40 hours. And we start with the data analytics with MS Excel and IBM SPSS, data analytics with Python, and our data analytics with Python programming is a specialization course in Python itself. Then data analytics with R programming. This is again a specialization course in R programming. And then business analytics with MS Excel, IBM SPSS, and MS Power BI. And then business analytics with R, Python, and Tableau. Then some specialized courses like data visualization is MS with MS Excel, IBM SPSS, Python, R, MS Power BI, and Tableau. Then a statistical and mathematical foundation of data analytics. The most important thing to understand the mathematical and statistical foundation of data analytics. So it's a special course which is again of 30 days, 40 hours. We have included in our live online course. Then data analytics with MS Excel, IBM SPSS, R, and Python programming. Actually, this program is of 60 days and it includes everything including the tools like MS Excel, IBM, SPSS, R, and Python. So those who want to be want to explore their expertise in the area of data analytics along with multiple tools like MS Excel, IBM SPSS, R, and Python programming, they can choose this course. Then the next course is uh, under the data science category. The first one is data science with R programming. This is of 30 days. Data science with Python programming, then data science with R programming, data science with Python programming. So actually, there are two categories. Under the 30 days and 40 hours, you will go through all the basics and the intermediate level related to the data science with the R programming, as well in the data science with Python programming. You can also have the exposure of basic to intermediate level, and it's an advanced course of 60 days data science with R programming, which include most of the things related to data science with applications of R programming. The same way we have designed data science with Python programming. It is again of 60 days, and it includes most of the advanced things related to the data science with applications of Python programming. Then we have also included one more course, that is data science with MS Excel, IBM SPSS, R, and Python. This is of 60 days and 70 hours. It includes most of the things, including the applications of MS Excel, IBM SPSS, R, and Python. The next category is the machine learning category. Under this category, we have a program machine learning with Python programming of 30 days, then machine learning with R programming of 30 days and 40 hours, machine learning with MATLAB programming of 30 days, 40 hours, and we have an extensive program of machine learning and deep learning with Python, that is of 60 days, and then we have more programs like ANN, artificial neural network, deep learning, and AI with Python programming. It is of 80 days, 100 hours. Then we have also program like natural language processing with Python programming of 30 days, 40 hours. And we have one more program, computer vision with Python programming of 30 days and 40 hours. So these are the few programs which are featured programs and most demanded in the market. And these are the skill-based programs. We train the tools, and then we train the candidate to use the tools to solve the problems related to data analytics, data science, and machine learning and AI. Now we'll talk about the platforms and tools which we are using for conducting these programs. Actually, we are using G Suite for education. We are using most of the Google applications for conducting our courses. Along with that, we are also using Moodle LMS for conducting our online live courses. But the purpose is that we have to deliver the content as well as the knowledge in efficient and proper manner. So once you register to the program, you will get the panel like this. All the information will be available here on LMS, and you can go through the details like there are different sections where the contents are organized, like syllabus and topics will be available here. Then ebooks and reference materials will be given there. You can navigate and you can open it. Then lecture sessions will be organized in a proper manner in the form of PPT, PDF, videos and all. Then the details of the live sessions will be available here so that you can connect every day and attend the sessions properly. Your lab requirements like some links related to your online labs will be available here under the online lab sections. Then the next session assignments and all will be given, and some more sections like online quizzes, test and examination sections, where you'll find your regular online quizzes, context, so that you can review and revise the contents which you are covering every day. And finally, once you complete the course, you will get the achievement certificate from SKPs of India, and that is recognized everywhere. So this is the first platform I talked about. That is a Google Classroom, and we are also using many applications of Google, like Google Jamboard, for just like a whiteboard, you can say we are using for it. There are many applications we'll use during our course. The next applications which we are using, that is the Moodle LMS. I would like to tell about something about. We are also using Moodle LMS for our courses to conduct live. So we organized the courses on Moodle also. The courses are available on Moodle based on the requirements. So in this way, in the same way, you can see here, the courses are also organized on Moodle LMS as per the requirements. Like suppose you have a live online quiz or some projects, live projects you have to work on. Then for the collaborative work also, we provide Moodle LMS platform for all of you. So we are using Moodle LMS as well as the G Suite applications, which includes the Google Classroom, Jamboards, and all, for conducting our live online courses. In our courses and training programs, you will find the full guidance and mentorship related to the particular area where you want to explore. Like if you want to explore in the data analytics area, or you want to explore in the data science area, or you want to explore in the machine learning, deep learning, and AI areas. So based on the requirements of the user, we provide you guidance and mentorship so that you can explore your knowledge as well as you can apply them uh, to grab the opportunities which are available in the market nowadays. So hope uh, these courses will be helpful for all of you, and you will join, and certainly will be happy to serve you all the time. Thank you so much.